Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm just going to jump right into this video. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this spring look with a little bit of glitter, please stay tuned and keep on watching. And I already did my eyebrows. I'm just setting and priming my lid with my concealer. I'm going to set that with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I am going to go in with the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place palette. And I am using the color Morocco. And I'm going to put that right above my crease and just blend that out. And I'm going to go in with the color right underneath the Morocco, and this is the color Jezebel, and I'm going to put that right on my crease, and I'm using a more defined brush so that way I can get right into the crease. And I'm just going to place that and just blend that out in circular motions. And now I am going to use this NYX white eyeliner, and this is the NYX Extreme Shine eyeliner, and this is in the color Pure White, and I'm using this as a base for my lid because I'm going to be using a very bright eyeshadow color, and I want the color to be very vibrant and I want it to show, because just using the eyeshadow color by itself without any base, it won't show as much as I want it to. So this white base will make the color more vibrant. Now I'm going with this Morphe palette, and this is the 35B color burst, and I'm using that yellow color, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid without going too far into my crease. And I'm just using tapping motions and just tapping that on. And now I'm going to do a wing liner, and I'm not using the Bobbi Brown Longwear gel eyeliner, and this is in the color Black. I'm going to use that with my Sigma wing liner brush, and this is the number E06, and I'm going to use that to draw a wing line. Now I'm going to line my waterline, and I'm using the MAC Smolder. I'm just going to line my waterline by closing my eyes so that way I can line both the top and the bottom line together. And I'm going to use this mascara by the Real Benefit mascara and just brush my eyelashes up. And now I'm going to wear my eyelashes, and I'm wearing the Remika lash. This lash is so beautiful. Now I'm just going to prime my face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I'm just going to put that all over my face and just massage that in. And now for my foundation, I am using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And I'm going to put that all over my face and just blend that in.
This is a Mr. Tracky production.
And now I am going to highlight, and I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And this is in the color Medium Dark Walnut, and I'm just going to put that in the high points of my face, my cheeks, my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. And I'm just going to use a wet beauty blender to blend that all in. Making sure I get the corners. Now I'm going to set that, and I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to set all the areas that I highlighted. And I'm just dusting that off. Now for contour, I am going to be trying this Black Opal True Color contour stick, and this is in the color Black Walnut. This is actually my first time using this contour stick, and it was okay, but I just felt like it looked a bit ashy on me. But I went over it with my slick contour kit, so it was fine. So I'm just blending that out. And now I'm going to use my Slate contour kit. This is my go-to contour palette, and I'm going to use that to go over the black opal and just use that to set the contour. And now for my blush, I am using the AnastasiaBeverlyHills Blush Trio, and I just mix all three colors together and I just put that on the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm going to set my whole face using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish, and this is in the color Dark. And I'm just going to use that to blend everything together so there are no harsh lines. And I use the AnastasiaBeverlyHills Powder Bronzer because it's not too dark and it's a bit close to my skin tone. I just use that to contour my nose lightly. And just blend that out. And now I am just using the setting powder to reverse contour to kind of clean up the contour and also brighten up my nose a little bit. Now I'm just dusting that off.
This is a Mr. Tracky.
Now I'm going to set my face using the MAC setting spray. And I like to bathe in this, guys. And now I'm just going to give it a minute to dry. And now, time for my favorite part, the highlighter. I am using the AnastasiaBeverlyHills Amregy, and this is in Amregy. I love this highlighter. Oh my goodness. You can see how that thing glows. Just makes that cheekbone pop. And I just put that all over the high points of my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. And I think I also highlighted my brow bone as well. Okay guys, I am really sorry. My camera died again and I just kept putting on the makeup. I did not notice that my camera died. I apologize. But I'm going to let you guys know exactly what I did. So for my eyes, I decided to line my crease, and I used the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. Basically, all I did was just draw a line right on my crease all the way down towards the wing line. And I used the same Amregy Anastasia Beverly's highlighter to highlight the corners of my eyes. And then for my lips, I used the MAC's Chestnut to line my lips. And then I used Fenty's Shawty lipstick. It's like a nice burgundy brownish color. I used that on the perimeter of my lips. And then I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream right on the inside to give it kind of an ombre look. And I just kind of blended all of that together. I didn't put any gloss, so there's no gloss. It's all matte. It was a soft matte lip, so it's wearable. It's not drying. And that's basically all I did, guys. I'm so sorry my camera died, but that was the that was all that was left that didn't show on camera. I do apologize for that, but I will definitely make sure that doesn't happen again. But let me know what you think about this look. I am loving this look, and I decided to do a head wrap today. Let me know what you think about that. And that is it, guys. If you really enjoyed this look, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And let me know if you have any suggestions or anything else that you would like to see. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell right next to it, because I'm going to be posting videos weekly, so every time I post a video you'll be notified so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you again guys for watching, and I really enjoyed making this video. And if you have any suggestions for me, don't forget to leave it down in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. Love y'all.